guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing Palloff presses with a cable machine and a resistance band. When we do these, we want to have our resistance set up just somewhere around our chest to in our upper torso. If we're using a resistance band, we can loop one side and the other if the resistance is really heavy, or if it's a lighter to moderate band, we can use both handles. And we want to step away, so we're fighting against the resistance. We're fighting to keep ourselves turned away from the base because it's going to try and pull you in. This is going to get our core engaged. From here, we're going to start with the handles close to our body and then extend our arms out straight and then bring the arms right back in, resisting turning back in towards the base the entire time. We also want to make sure that our feet are directly below our hips and we're not allowing one of our shoulders to come up higher than the other. So staying nice and tight through our midline for an equal number of reps on one side as the other. So for more core building, core strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.